As we're approaching the end of the tax year, or you could be, if you're a company, you're approaching your financial year, which could be any time, you perhaps could be looking at the amount of profits you've been making in the business. And one way of reducing corporation tax is to make donations into charities. And one way of benefiting you as a business is, like we were saying, the patron program. And I think we've also got the individually, you can get tax relief on contributions. And that's one of the nice little tax reliefs that you can actually backdate. It's one of the only ones that's left that you can make a payment in a tax year and relate it back into an earlier tax year. So you can almost do some retrospective tax planning as well with it, which I always find really useful. And I don't know whether a lot of people know that. So I think that's a really useful tool. So you can, as an individual, you can get 40% tax relief on. You'll get gift aid, which will be then you can put it on your tax return and get 40% tax relief. And as a company, whatever the tax rate you're paying, either 19 or 25%, you'll get tax relief at that rate on any donations or investments or in you make into Mahdlo. So I think those are both really useful points to make that will benefit you as a business.
Yeah. Yeah, I think a lot of businesses probably don't ask their accountants or think, oh, well, if I donate to this, then it'll come off my corporate. They probably just think, oh, no, not doing that.
Yeah. I think
so it's probably more accountants having that conversation with businesses as well. So did you know?
Yeah, I don't, whether it comes up that often in pre-year and meetings with clients about this. And I always, because we're involved in Mahdlo, I always bring it up as an opportunity.
Yeah.
But it'd be interesting to know whether other businesses get that same advice from their accountants.
Yeah.
Just whether they are getting told that tax relief. Maybe it's something we should start shouting about a little bit more.
Yeah,
definitely.
Because I think I don't know I'm not a facts and figures girl, but I think if someone was a £25,000 made a £25,000 donation to Mahdlo, we would get 25,000, but the business would only pay, I think, is it 12?
You would get tax relief on that 20. You would get the 25,000. Yep. The company would save, if it was paying tax at 25%, it would save £6,250. Right. So it would cost the business, and this is going to test my maths now, in case you'll do this one.
1 minute, what did you, 18,750? 18,750. 18,750.
So yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And again, as an individual, same sort of thing applies. If you paid £10,000, the government would uplift that with gift aid to £12,000, but you would claim another £2,000 back. Mahdlo gets £12,000, it costs you £8,000.